Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a truly exceptional piece of kitchenware, the Fissler Original-Profi Collection stainless steel 9-piece set with metal lids. Now, if you're someone who appreciates quality, durability, and cooking performance that borders on perfection, then stick around because this set might just be the upgrade your kitchen has been waiting for. Let's start with what truly sets this Fissler collection apart, its superior performance features. From the moment you pick up one of these pieces, you can feel the substantial build quality. Fissler has meticulously designed each item for exceptional cooking results. One of the standout features for me are the extra-large pouring rims. This might sound like a small detail, but in practice, it makes a world of difference. No more messy drips down the side of your pots and pans when you're transferring liquids, which means less cleanup and a tidier cooking experience. Then there are the condensate-plus metal lids. These aren't just any lids. They're engineered to trap and redistribute moisture back into your food. What does that mean for your cooking? It means juicier meats, more flavorful vegetables, and generally tastier results. It's a subtle but significant enhancement that elevates everyday cooking to something a bit more special. And for those of us who are always measuring ingredients, the interior measurement markings on the pots and pans are a godsend. They allow for precise cooking without the need for extra measuring cups, streamlining your workflow in the kitchen. Ergonomic handles are another crucial element for comfort and control, and Fissler has nailed it here. They're designed to stay cool on the stovetop and provide a secure, comfortable grip, even when the pot is full and heavy. Plus, the entire set is oven-safe up to a very respectable 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you fantastic flexibility for finishing dishes in the oven. And when it comes to cleaning, which we all dread, Fissler has made it as effortless as possible. The entire set is dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver. Beyond performance, the sleek design and easy cleaning are major highlights. The rivet-free construction is a brilliant design choice. Not only does it contribute to the overall clean, modern aesthetic of the collection, but it's also a significant hygienic advantage. Traditional cookware often has rivets on the inside which can trap food particles and become difficult to clean. With the Fissler Original-Profi Collection, that problem is eliminated, making cleaning truly effortless and ensuring a more sanitary cooking environment. Now, let's talk about heat. Even heat distribution is arguably the most critical factor for achieving perfectly cooked meals, and Fissler's exclusive CookStar base delivers just that. This base is designed to ensure that heat spreads evenly across the entire bottom of the pan. This prevents hot spots, which can lead to uneven cooking and burnt food, and ensures that your meals are cooked consistently and beautifully. Importantly, this cookware is suitable for all stovetops, including induction, which is a must-have feature for many modern kitchens. Sustainability and durability are also core tenets of this Fissler collection. Crafted in Germany, these pieces are made from up to 90% recycled 18/10 stainless steel. This not only speaks to Fissler's commitment to eco-friendliness but also guarantees longevity. Stainless steel is renowned for its durability, resistance to rust and corrosion, and its ability to withstand the rigors of daily use. You're not just buying cookware, you're investing in a set that's built to last for years, if not decades. And finally, let's touch on the accolades. This collection isn't just good, it's award-winning good. It's a proud recipient of the iF Design Award, one of the most prestigious design accolades globally. It also received the Kitchen Innovation Award, recognizing products for their proven quality, innovation, and reliability, and the prestigious Red Dot Design Award for outstanding design and innovation. These awards are a testament to Fissler's dedication to excellence in every aspect of their cookware. So, what are the pros and cons of this Fissler set? On the pro side, you have exceptional build quality, superior cooking performance thanks to features like the CookStar base and condensate-plus lids, hygienic and easy cleaning due to the rivet-free design, great versatility with oven safety and suitability for all stovetops, and a strong emphasis on sustainability and durability. The design is also undeniably sleek and professional. The cons, if I have to find them, are few and far between for this caliber of product. For some, the initial investment might be higher than for mass-produced alternatives. However, considering the longevity and performance, it's an investment that truly pays off over time. There's also a learning curve, as with any high-quality cookware, to fully master its capabilities, but it's a rewarding one. In conclusion, the Fissler Original-Profi Collection stainless steel 9-piece set with metal lids is a standout product. It's a testament to German engineering and design, offering a cooking experience that is both efficient and enjoyable. If you're serious about cooking and want cookware that will perform beautifully and last a lifetime, this set is an absolutely fantastic choice. It's more than just pots and pans, it's a culinary tool that will inspire you in the kitchen. Link in the description.